hello viewers. Welcome to Insta vlogs. In this channel you can see the rural road networks and the communication hub of Bangladesh, which is usually very good, and the development progress all over the country is going on very well. So this is a good thing. Right now I am in the middle of a village, and this is the day after the Eid ul-Fitr. So many people are moving and many people are just visiting their relatives and some other houses. So it's a vacation time, usually the 2 times in a year. This is a small market, small rural market, and that's why you can see Hadira Bazar Market Bhavan. It's a rural market Bhavan, and the government has built up this market very nicely. You can see the nice selling standards and the distribution systems. The infrastructure of the market looks good. The Iron Man and so many shops here. So this is pretty much more developed than the Colton. So few showrooms you can see here, and people are just gossiping by the side of the roads, and you can see the bikes. So the bikers and the young generations usually prefer to travel the bikers. Lots of drinks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Fanta. So all the multinational companies are supplying their foods. You can see a bigger high school. This large building is constructed by the government fundings. It's a 4-story building the government has constructed in many areas. So you can see lots of people here. So this market, rural market, is nicely developed, and they can motorcycle, and you can see the people are traveling. So it's a small road, but the traffic is pretty much busy. Again, Boiran Nodi. So it's called the river, the small river, which name is Boiran. All right. And on the right side you can see a high school, Madhurir Chor High School, and big bus here. So I'm traveling in the middle of the road, village road. So the road network still running very nicely founded. So so you can see it's the forest and the garden. So people are on the road after the Eid day. They are just having their nice times, evening times, just passing through, walking along the roadside, enjoying the view and the environment. The nice views you can have sometimes on the side of the roads. You can see lots of greeneries and the paddy fields here. If you look at the sky, it's a nice sky, and there's no clouds here, so hopefully there's not going to be the rain. So without the rain, it's going to be a very nice environment. That's why the rain was few times ago. So it's pretty comfortable environment. You can see here, and the vast paddy fields. You can see in a far distance lots of houses and the trees, the bigger trees. Okay, so you're just crossing 2 autos here, and the banana trees and some nice constructions. You can see some are taking the photo sessions over the road, and people are visiting from the city. This area you can see it's another constructions. It's the madrasa, and the people are visiting. So these are the banana trees. You can see, the bananas. So lots of banana trees beside the houses. It's the evening time, so you can see the sunlight, and the environment is not so much shiny. During the afternoon you can see the shiny environment, but this is in the between the middle of darkness and the lightness brightness, so it's in between the environments. That's why it's pretty similar like the twilight. So twilight causes because of the moons, but now it's because of the suns. You can see much the twilight, but you can see in some places the sun rays has fallen on top of the houses, and that's why the sun rays and which places have lightened up, those are looking brighter, and other places who are not bright enough, those are looking darker. And the fencing system, you can see that good local made. Sometimes you can see the nice houses. So just now we're just seeing a nice house which looks the blue color. It's a tin shed building and pretty nice, you can see. Oh, another one is here. Two blue colors on the two sides. So that was tin shed, and this is a rooftop building, fully founded, one-story blue color building. And some other buildings you can see under construction. This side you can see the pretty field, vast land area, and the trees. You can see in the far distance this building, you can see this is under construction, and this side is still empty. So hopefully in future maybe the development works progress and the peoples are going to fill up all the empty sites with lots of houses, so this will not be empty again. Sometimes the cars and the private cars coming from the city. This is another bazaar. A bazaar naam ki Bhaduri Chor Bazaar. It's a small market, not as big as the previous one. So small market has a central mosque, which is a building in the middle, and more mosque, and beside a bridge. So we are just crossing the bridge. It's over the small river, but right now there's no water in it, but you can see the existence of the river. Although there's no water, but it's still a river. River is river. During the summer season or the rainy season you can have the water, and the river is seasonal, but in that case when the boat crosses the river, so we need the bridges over here. And this side you can see the empty side, lots of paddy field on the right side of my wings. You can see here on the left side you can see the ponds was here, but right now there's no water here, and some other buildings. So we're still going on, the road never ends. Another nice view you can see with the paddy field, and the people are walking by on the road, you can see here. Okay, and nice rural environment. So it's situated in Bangladesh, which is the South Asian country, division Dhaka division, district Tangail, Upazila Dhanbari, in between the Dhanbari and Gopalpur. So you can see the nice tuning of the music in this area, and it's just the playing nice. So this video I'm not going to length it up for a longer time. So some places you can see on the road are broken, but most of the places are pretty much clear and nice and smooth, so the journey was comfortable. Hopefully you can see the jackfruit on the trees, some longer trees here. Okay, so nice view. The video ends up here. Stay tuned with Insta Vlogs channel, and the people here you can see. So some are on the trees. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the videos. Stay tuned with Insta Vlog channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Have a good day.